Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a private repository public on GitHub. So let's begin. Now here I am in the dashboard of my GitHub account, and from the dashboard you will be able to find your repository from here on the top repository section. However, if you don't see your repository here, you can click on your profile over here, and then after clicking your profile, you can go to your repositories. In your repositories, you will be able to see all of your repositories. So select the repository you want to make public. So I'm going to select the main one. And after you have selected the repository, you can click on Settings. After clicking Settings, click on Collaborators. And as you can see in Collaborators, this repository is currently set to Private Repository. So we want to make it public. Now click on Manage, not the Manage on the right, but the Manage right over here on the bottom. So after this, you will be redirected to the Danger Zone, and in the Danger Zone, on the top option, we have Change Visibility. So by clicking on Change Visibility, we will be able to change the visibility of this repository. So after clicking, we have the option Change to Public. Let's click on Change to Public, and then I'm going to click on I want to make this repository public. So here are some warnings. This code will be visible to everyone who can visit github.com. Anyone can fork your repository. All push rule sets will be disabled. Your changes will be published as activity, and actions history and logs will be visible to everyone. So these are the changes you will face if you make your repository public. And then click on I have read and understand these effects. After that, we will have the final button, which is make this repository public. So let's click it. And now our repository should be public. So let's go to collaborators again. So as you can see, our repository is now public repository. So that is how you can change your private repository to a public repository. If you found this video helpful, guys, please do leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.